So I guess that's where I should drop you off after this, right?
No, I wanted to take me home.
Home?
And keep my company until tomorrow.
Silly.
Please don't question it.
Okay, ma'am. Whatever you say.
Are we ready?
Oh yes. Check, please. Check.
Boss, you know why I'm really convinced as somebody from inside a give out information? How him get to know say Sean really a come from a halfway house?
Cause the nurse will look after him, see him that it, and sister want halfway house him stay.
Mr. Mullins never tell you say for check on the nurse there.
Yeah, me did start. But now me can't get in the system.
You know worry about that. I just want to know say you did start. You have a name?
Yeah.
You look on it still in a bossy. A whole heap of things them have for we now. What about the body them with them claim say were obtained illegally?
It look like the doctor woman here sell out the boss. Cause the only way him could have get that information there is unless she says something to him.
Say I tell me say when I'm no loyal associates.
You see, moving forward, any conversation at all we will have, stay between the three of we. Because we can't trust nobody.
So what go on with Celine?
Shit. That's the thing now. She left out in the open. You know, say Roxy give me a name the other day. She said to me, say, the person who did that try hacking at the system, the name linked to it. Felicia, Isabella, Santana, Torres.
So what's the story between you and Tony Xpressionz?
There's no story between us.
So you're telling me that the feud between you two just dissipated?
Yeah, something like that.
And you expect me to believe that?
Yes. As a matter of fact, I do.
And after the last big measuring contest at your office, he just conceded and what? Disappeared?
Put it this way. We came to a mutual agreement.
Okay, if you say so.
I do say so. Look, moving forward, there will be no more skeletons in the closet, no more surprises, no more secrets. Alright?
Okay.
I believe in your soul. I know we need each other. I know our love is strong. We're still riding down this road. Ooh, my love, I can feel you in my bones. This is real. I hear your voice too close. Oh, this feeling grows while I'm filling up this void. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day.
You know, some book up the name here when I did on assignment the other day. The laptop with the hacking at the system, I sure said this have Celine number. That means that if them have her number, them can track her. Let me see if me can get a face to the name here.
Mr. Wallace, are you ready for tonight?
Well, yes. Seems like you want your boss a show.
Why not? I'm gonna find out anyways, or sometime.
That's true.
Shit.
Oh, pull it.
Carlton.
Yeah.
Still in with you? Me try get her phone, I'm not get her.
Yeah, she's with me. Why?
Tell her say,
Carlton!
Tell him.
this are more than foreplay.
Action.
This are more than foul play. Jesus Christ. Sorry.
What did she want to say?
Leave me alone.
Dude, I'm happy.